Hi guys, I'm going to show you my crafting box. So those first aid kit, aid box. I just use this like passing emergency. I'm passing. Passing emergencies. Passing emergencies. So, my friend, I had this blue and red. Napakoy ko. Oh. Unya lang. Kaya napakoy. Hoy, diyo! Alin sa diyo! Nakoy, dagan ko buhat. Unya, gamot ninyo. Hilak-hilak siya. So, this is supposed to be color red. It's supposed to be this name red. But my friend, she wanted to make a video about this, and she called it paracetamol, like a medicine. And this is supposed to be colored name blue, but she's called it Biojet. I don't know what it is, like medicine. So I'm gonna take these names out and put this. And this is my pop. What we have here is, this is actually for Nescafe. No, don't touch it. Nescafe. And this is my alcohol. This glass is supposed to be for...
What kind of paracetamol is this?
No, Zoe read that that was supposed to be blue and red. Zoe read that because like she wanted to do a video about it. This is alcohol for hands when you put that and clean the.
But this ain't real. It ain't real.
No,
Really
it's
ain't
plastic
real.
for putting the stuff in. Whatever, but I really love plastic and small ones. This is a cookie cutter, like a cake cutter. You can even see the bird. The back. It's like a circle here, and here has like a hole. And this is my cookie cutters or whatever, like putting cupcakes in it. This is the this is for tequila glass, or whatever, like drinks. Wait. Go, you ask. My mom will say yes, promise. Don't be shy. Okay, wait, take this. Do this. Okay, so this is a bowl thing, but this is for drinking. I use this for my clay, for circling things, or putting something like no. Stop.
Why?
I'll put the table. So put it back. Put it in a locked box. Put this back.
Can I have one more bag?
Did you bring any bag?
No.
You know your bag na piggy? Some blue? Just I'll show you later. And I have scotch tape. Like, this is for crafting tools, not only for clay. There's another scotch tape that's double. Oh, wait, double stick. And then like also scotch tape, also double stick. I'll show you. You get one piece of square and just rip it out. So when you get it, you're going to just stick it there, and you're just going to get the green out. I have so many of these, but all gone because I keep on using it. I don't have a rolling pin, so I use the ball pen. And if I don't have bowling tool, so I use that with like a ball there. And for drawing and crafting, I use markers for drawing. Guys, I don't like to draw on YouTube. I feel shy about drawing. This paper pad, I only write words that I like, and I make it like ugly because I'm shy. I don't know why, guys. Maybe someday I'll show you. I have my clay, my texture. I don't know if my clay is out of my clay. Broken because my dog's like, I drop in the floor, please munch it, and break it. But I still love it. I have red mixed with light red here. This is my cousin, she mixed it. And I have the green here. I have red, oh my god, red mixed with white here. And I have yellow here. And here's my creations. Some of them are lost. All of them I made except for two. Meat guy and shoe. I'll show you. Oh, never mind. It's okay, but it's over. And I have eye pen. Don't mind the music because we're in a restaurant. Because I'm in my restaurant. We have our own restaurant. And cotton for the ears. We're not using it for the ears. Watercoloring. Food coloring, I mean. Blue. Red. And I have green. Wait, can you pass that box? I still have more away. My scissors. Give me the paintbrush. I still have more molds. A milkshake. Pineapple shape. Paint white. Paint black. Pink cola. Pink cola. And I have red cola. Oh, black, one more black because I use black very often. And I just wait. My friend gave this to me. I'll show you the same color. And I have when I had another pink color in my yard. It's actually a makeup box or with a mirror, or you can use it like a jewelry box. But I use it for this. So that's my stuff. So I have two more of these, but there's clips in like the lock for, they call it a lobster lock. I don't know, but it's for necklaces and bracelets. Oh, it's gone. My earrings. Oh, my earrings are here. Earrings. If you don't know what's earrings, so I'll show you. This is an earring. Just the same at the back. Oh, I think I can see the lobster. The lobster book. Lobster love. The lobster love. The sometimes ask that why do people do it down when they show something? Because the camera, sometimes the camera can't see the things properly, like you can't see it properly. I'm sorry about my hair, just because I don't know why. So guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching Blackbeard's Fluttershy's Wonderful Show!
That's my bestie. Oh yeah, I forgot guys. And there's my paintbrush. It's actually a little dirty because of the paint. I forgot to wash it.
If you're new to say that, drum roll please, don't do it like that.
Okay.
No, like that,
Okay. Just put it in there. Where's the cover? Maybe you can come here tomorrow. Don't the head. Maybe you can come here tomorrow. My gosh, my blade! I forgot. Sorry, and this is my blade.
Production!
Drummer, please.
Drum roll please.
Drum roll, please. Bye guys. Please like, subscribe, and click on a comment. Peace out, yo. Oh, stop it.